Openex Intelligent Technology Shanghai Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise providing AI visual inspection and multitask automation solutions for manufacturing. We have a 4,000 square meter R&D and commissioning base. With nearly 100 employees, we have obtained over 80 corporate qualifications and IP certificates. Openex pursues high investment, deep expertise, and strong ambition, driving high-quality, high-efficiency leaps in manufacturing. Openex's self-developed AI visual inspection equipment equips production lines with keen eyes, smart brains, and nimble hands. High-definition industrial cameras perform non-contact rapid dimension measurement for industrial products. Defect detection reaches micron-level accuracy, combining traditional and deep learning algorithms, quickly identifying and distinguishing complex and subtle surface defects, paired with flexible automation modules and industrial robots, forming a complete inspection and execution system. Our equipment is widely used in automotive, electronics, semiconductor, aerospace, and other industries for online and offline inspection. Inspection categories cover fasteners, bearing parts, precision machined parts and other metal components, injection molded parts, seals, and other non-metal products, ceramic parts, powder metallurgy parts, ceramic tiles, rings, sheets, and other sintered products, wafers, chips, circuit boards, and other electronic components. Openex's AI visual inspection strictly controls the quality standards of every shipped product, greatly reducing missed detections and false rejects. Replacing labor with smart equipment and sampling with full inspection, precise quantification replaces experience-based estimation, helping the manufacturing industry eliminate uncertainty and instability in product quality. Openex goes beyond visual inspection, also customizing integrated equipment for assembly, film lamination, welding, grinding, packaging, palletizing, and other multi-process automation. For instance, in advanced micro-LED mass transfer processes, Openex achieves laser cutting of ACF film, pick-and-place alignment, pre-bonding, final bonding, fully automated operation, avoiding contamination risks from manual operations at the source. For grinding high-voltage GIS insulator basins and terminal boards, Openex's enclosed grinding system requires no human intervention throughout, ensuring quality while isolating dust hazards. Openex's smart equipment seamlessly integrates with existing MES systems based on customer needs, truly saving labor, material, and time. Precise, reliable, and worry-free. We drive industrial future through innovation and lead the industry with superior technology, empowering customers with leapfrog capacity upgrades. Industrial progress for all.